right at this moment is a particularly special situation. We have interest rates soaring. Buyer confidence has been slimmed down. So what that means is sellers are taking it in the shorts, right? So for all of our investors, it is a great time to get out there and buy. And we're going to talk a little bit about why we should be doing that today. So the housing market is at a standstill. Competition for quality homes is fierce, and we all know this. If you are out there looking at the market, if you find something good, it's still in a multi-offer situation. But if it's not that great or not priced well, it's going to be sitting for a while. And those are the ones that you want to go into. And if they have deferred maintenance, these are the ones that you want to approach with the renovation loan. Most homes in Hawaii are equity rich, which means that most folks, if they have a home with 1.5 million as their current value, they're sitting at about half of that as a loan balance, or a mortgage encumbrance. So what that means is that they are able to refinance in order to take on that additional renovation, or we can purchase that home from them at a better deal and walk straight into equity. Homeowners choosing to stay put. So with all of this craziness taking place, obviously homeowners are not doing what they were doing a year ago, which is selling their home and upgrading and getting that beautiful 3% interest rate and keeping that housing cost low. So now they're looking at ways to improve their own living situation. Seniors aging in place, so same thing, instead of selling and buying, we are seeing them age in place and getting their home ready with ADA modifications and things like that. We've got a lot of families combining into multi-generational housing situations because of what happened with COVID, and really starting to understand that in order to manage their bills, their families, that they want to come together rather than live separately. And of course, since COVID, adaptations for work, live, and play, right? A lot of us have even gone in and turned a room into a home gym because we don't want to go to the 24-hour fitness anymore. All solutions can be used for owner occupants and investors that we're going to talk about today.